Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the question paper of 10th class of September exams. So let us start with part A. Here each question carries 1 mark. Part A contains 17 multiple choice questions. First question, what type of image is formed by a plane mirror? 4 options are there. The right option is all the above, because the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and erect, and at the same time it is literally inverted also, and it is of same size as the object. So we will take the fourth option, all the above. Second question, an element X has atomic number 11. It belongs to which period of modern periodic table? Here the atomic number 11, so we will write its electronic configuration. First shell contains 2, then 8, and the rest is 1. So there are 3 shells, so it belongs to the third period of periodic table. Third question, Shalu observed that packets of chips are inflated. Teacher said that packets of chips are filled with a specific gas. Name the gas. The gas in the packets of chips is nitrogen. Fourth question, during his visit to Delhi, Sunil learned that there is a special fuel used in vehicles. What is that fuel? Yes, beta, you all know the fuel used nowadays is CNG. Question number 5. Which gas is used in liquid form as a fuel in the rockets? That gas is hydrogen. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a source of energy from oceans? 4 options are there: tidal, wave, ocean thermal energy, and the fourth one is geothermal. But geothermal energy is not obtained from oceans, it is obtained from the earth. So the right option is D. 7th question, Sahil prepared a solar cooker for his school science fair. Teacher asked Sahil to paint it with a specific color from inside. Which is that color? Red, green, black, or white? The right option is option C, that is black color. 8th question, the molecular formula of butane is. Here the name is butane. If N is 4, meth, eth, prop, but. So if carbon atom is 4, then number of hydrogen atoms will be 10. So the right is D option. 9th question, how many covalent bonds are there in CH4 molecule? Answer is option B, that is 4. Question number 10, which is the hardest substance known till date? Graphite, iron, copper, or diamond? So the option D is right, beta. Diamond is the hardest known substance. Next question, 11th. The inner lining of stomach gets protected from the action of acid under normal condition in human beings by. Options are mucus, saliva, esophagus, or all the above. So the right answer is mucus. Question number 12. Meera wants to know that which is the longest part of alimentary canal. Yes, as you all know, although its name is small, but it is the largest part. Option B is correct. Small intestine is the longest part of alimentary canal. 13th question. In humans, waste products in the form of soluble nitrogenous compounds are excreted out by dash present in the kidneys. Yes, the part of kidneys are nephrons. So right answer is nephrons. Question number 14. Which of the following organisms reproduce asexually through budding? Here the term budding is used not only asexually, but we have to remember the method of asexual reproduction here is budding. So the right answer is yeast. Next question, which of the following is not the part of human female reproductive system? Options are ovary, vas deferens, uterus, and fallopian tubes. But as you all know, ovary, uterus, and fallopian tubes are female reproductive parts. So the right answer is B, vas deferens. Next question, question number 16. Female gametes or egg produces in. So as you all know, it is produced in the ovary. 17th question, which among the following is sexually transmitted disease, STD? AIDS, gonorrhea, syphilis, or all the above? So right answer is all these three are beta STDs. So right answer will be D. Let us discuss part B. Here each question carries 2 marks. Question number 18 to 29, all the questions carry 2 marks. So let us start. Question number 18 is, why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? Explain. You can write the 2 marks answers in 2 or 3 lines. So here respiration is the process in which food is oxidized to release energy. So because one of the byproduct of respiration is energy, it is called an exothermic reaction. Second question here, question number 19, sorry. What is ozone? How does it affect an ecosystem? Ozone is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen in the presence of UV rays. The oxygen is essential for all aerobic forms of life, but ozone is a deadly poisonous gas. Ozone performs important functions at the higher levels of atmosphere. Ozone absorbs the ultraviolet radiations from the sun. Thus, it protects the living organisms on the earth. Now, the next question, question number 20. What is greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide content of the air is increasing due to deforestation and combustion in industries, automobiles and planes, and is likely to become double by 2020. This increase is affecting the atmosphere composition and balance of gases, which are among the factors that control the Earth's climate. Next question. What is geothermal energy? Due to the changes taking place within Earth, molten rocks formed in the deeper hot regions of Earth are pushed upward in the regions called hotspots. Steam is generated when underground water comes in contact with these hotspots. Steam trapped in rocks is routed through a pipe to the turbine and used to generate electricity. This is called geothermal energy. Next question, question number 22. Compare and contrast fossil fuels and sun as direct source of energy. As we all know, fossil fuels are non-renewable sources of energy. They are also called conventional sources of energy. These, if consumed at present speed, are not going to last beyond 2050 AD. It takes millions of years to form fossil fuels. Such sources which cannot be formed again are called non-renewable sources of energy. As compared to these, sun is called the non-conventional source of energy, and all the renewable sources of energy are non-polluting and absolutely safe. For example, geothermal energy derived from hot rocks, magma and hot water, natural geysers, oceans. Thermal energy derived from waves and tidal waves are absolutely safe. So we can say sun as a direct source of energy always is a good option and as compared to fossil fuels. Next question, question number 23. Draw an electron dot structure for ethanoic acid and propane. So here first of all we'll have to write the formula for ethanoic acid, and the formula is CH3 C O OH. Now we have to write its electron dot structure. Here you can see the electron dot structure of ethanoic acid, and this one is the electron dot structure of propane. You have to represent the electrons as dots and circle the bonds between carbon and other atoms. Now next question is question number 24. What changes will you observe if you test soap with litmus paper? Red and blue are given in the brackets. Beta, as we all know, soap is a base. So when we dip a blue litmus paper in soap solution, it will have no change in color because bases do not affect blue litmus paper. But with red litmus paper, bases will turn any base solution will turn the red litmus blue. So here, if we dip red litmus paper in soap solution, it will turn into blue. Next, question number 25. What are the differences between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition? Here you have to differentiate between the two. So we will write the points side by side. Autotrophic nutrition, first point, it occurs in green plants and blue-green algae, whereas heterotrophic nutrition occurs in animals and insectivorous plants. Autotrophic nutrition का second point, carbon dioxide and water are raw materials which combine to form organic compounds, whereas in heterotrophic nutrition they depend on plants and herbivores for their food. Third point in autotrophic nutrition is they need chlorophyll and sunlight, and as compared to these, there is no need of chlorophyll and sunlight in heterotrophs. Next question is question number 26. What are the components of transport system in highly organized plants? As we all know, highly organized plants, they supply food and water through specialized tissues called xylem and phloem. So we will write the answer as components of transport system in plants are: number 1, xylem tissue. Vessels and tracheids of roots, stems and leaves are concerned with the transport of water and minerals. Number 2, phloem. It consists of sieve tubes and companion cell. It transports food, amino acids and other substances from leaves to various parts of the plant. Next question is, what is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? So here we have to discuss the role of saliva. Saliva, it contains an enzyme called ptyalin, that is salivary amylase, which breaks polysaccharide starch into disaccharide maltose. So that means starch is broken down by the salivary amylase enzyme present in the saliva to produce maltose. Next question is, how does the embryo get nourishment inside the mother's body? The answer to this question is, embryo gets nourishment through the placenta. Placenta is a disc embedded in the wall. How does the embryo get nourishment inside the mother's body? The answer to this question is, embryo gets nourishment through placenta. Placenta is a disc embedded in the wall of uterus. It contains villi on the embryo side of tissue. On the mother side are blood spaces which surround the villi. Placenta serves to bring the fetal and maternal blood close enough to permit exchange of materials between the two. Next question, question number 29. What are the functions performed by testes in human beings? As we all know, testes are the part of male reproductive system. A pair of testes are present in males. These are the primary sex organs. They produce male gametes, that is sperms. They also secrete hormones. So that is all for part B of September question paper. We will discuss part C and D in the next video. I hope you understand the answer key. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.